If you're searching for the best time tracking app in 2026, you're likely facing a few challenges. You need to accurately monitor employee hours, especially for remote, hybrid, or distributed teams. You're looking to boost productivity without resorting to micromanagement, or maybe you need reliable data for client billing, payroll, or project management. Today, we're going to break down what makes a time tracking app truly great, and we'll spotlight how different solutions tackle these challenges head on. This episode is sponsored by Hubstaff, but as always, we'll keep the comparisons fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What criteria should you consider in time tracking apps? When you're evaluating time tracking apps, it's not just about punching a digital clock. The best time tracking apps empower employees and managers, providing transparency and insights. Here are some of the core criteria to consider. Number 1, automation and accuracy. Are your employees remembering to start and stop timers? The best apps offer automated tracking options like idle detection, background activity capture, and reminders, reducing reliance on employee memory and cutting down on payroll and billing corrections. Number 2, ease of use and accessibility. A complex tool won't get adopted. Look for a clean, intuitive interface that works seamlessly across various devices and operating systems. If it's not easy, employees just won't use it consistently. Number 3, features beyond basic tracking. The best time tracking apps go beyond logging hours. Think about features like activity monitoring for remote and hybrid teams, project and task tracking so you can assign hours directly to specific projects or tasks, and even features like geofencing and GPS tracking if your team works on site or in the field. Number 4, integrations. Your time tracking app shouldn't be an island. It needs to play nicely with your existing payroll, project management, accounting, and CRM software. Seamless data flow means less manual transfer and fewer errors. Number 5, reporting and analytics. What good is data if you can't understand it? The best time tracking apps provide robust reporting that shows trends in productivity, project profitability, and employee activity. These insights are invaluable for decision making. Number 6, privacy and compliance. Employee monitoring raises privacy concerns. Ensure your app has clear privacy controls and helps you comply with labor laws regarding breaks, overtime, and work hours. Transparency with your team is key. Here are some of the top contenders for best time tracking apps in 2026, including both free and pro solutions and where they shine. Hubstaff, all-in-one time tracking and workforce analytics for distributed teams. Hubstaff is built for remote, hybrid, and outsourced teams that need accuracy and accountability without constant check-ins. Where it stands out is in closing the loop. Approved hours flow directly into payroll, invoicing, and client billing, while managers get real-time insight into productivity, utilization, and project profitability. With deep integrations into tools like Asana, Jira, QuickBooks, and Wise, it's built for teams managing real work across time zones, clients, and cost centers. If you run client work across time zones and need audit-ready time tracking you can trust, Hubstaff is a stellar pick. Toggl Track, time tracking that's good for freelancers and small agencies. Toggl Track favors speed and simplicity for knowledge workers who value trust. It's designed for admins, managers, freelancers, and full-time employees to track their time and tasks simultaneously on a single platform. And it provides native Android and iOS mobile applications. Agencies and teams choose Toggl Track, especially when they want a free product for up to 5 users. Harvest Time Tracking, a time tracking and attendance solution with seamless integrations. Harvest Time Tracking is a time and attendance solution providing businesses with project management support like in-depth project projections. It's often shortlisted by businesses who want native Android and iOS mobile applications, and it focuses on billing and expenses, making it easy to track time, manage retainers and billable rates, and send polished invoices. If your priority is client-ready billing with minimal fuss, Harvest Time Tracking is a good choice. Clockify, built for businesses on a budget. Clockify offers a generous free tier for unlimited users, plus projects, tags, timesheets, and a time kiosk. It's a pragmatic option for startups and scale-ups that want the basics now and room to grow before committing to higher tiers. And its top features include mobile support, user-friendly metrics, and inclusivity, including multiple languages, from French and Spanish to German, Korean, Japanese, and Russian. Perfect for teams working together across the world. It's also good for freelancers and solopreneurs that just want to track their own time. Everhour, productivity and activity tracking for small and medium businesses. Everhour is a timekeeping solution with productivity tools like activity tracking built in. It's considered considered primarily by small and medium businesses with native iOS applications available with the paid plan, although no Android app yet. And it embeds time tracking inside project tools like Asana, Trello, and Jira. Consider Everhour if you want a good free option with up to 5 users, or affordable light and team tiers for 2 to 10 users or more. Now that we've run through several time tracking apps, here are the 4 steps you can use to narrow down your list and make the right choice for your organization. Step 1. Define non-negotiables before demos. Decide on required automation levels, budget, payroll needs, privacy posture, and must-have integrations. This becomes your scorecard. Step 2. Shortlist by use case. For example, distributed teams often land on Hubstaff or Time Doctor, billing first agencies lean toward Harvest, Everhour, or Toggl Track, and smaller budget-conscious companies may favor the free tiers on Clockify or Jibble. There's no one-size-fits-all, and you need to prioritize your jobs to be done. Step 3. Run a couple short pilots. Put small cross-functional groups on 2 finalists for 2 weeks, connect key integrations, and measure admin time, data accuracy, and employee sentiment. The winner reduces cleanup and protects margins without hurting morale. Step 4. Lock privacy and change management early. Configure transparency settings, share a clear policy with employees, and confirm regional compliance. If it doesn't feel sustainable in week 1, it won't in week 50. In summary, the best time tracking apps reduce manual work, flag risks early, and give finance and operations a single source of truth without turning your culture into a surveillance program. Want more detailed head-to-head comparisons you can share with finance and HR? Check out the links in the description. And if you're running a distributed team and want to see automated accuracy and project profitability in action, try today's sponsor Hubstaff through the link below. They're a terrific all-in-one time tracker for remote, hybrid, and field teams. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. That's all for now. We'll see you next time.